Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So this is the Patreon giveaway winner for the month of April. I'm a little late uploading this video, but anyway, yeah, so let's just go again quickly through the prizes and then we will announce the winner. Remember, if you want to get in on this, you know, to support me on Patreon, help this channel keep going on, supporting at the $2 level or more will get you entered into this monthly giveaway. And prizes will vary, but you will always get the keychain. So let's start off with the usual. I still got a few Paraclaws left, so today's winner will be, or this month's winner will be getting a Paraclaw. Super cool. And as usual, a keychain, the Weavers of Eternity official keychain, of course, with the tag there, hand stamp tag. I did this one in a fishtail with the natural brass finish, and I think that combo looks really, really nice. I mean, I love the way this one turned out. Just that contrast between the brass and the black paracord, really awesome. And lastly, but not least, I'm giving away also a rope thimble and a snap shackle along with this bundle. Also, I'm gonna throw in a bit of paracord too. I'll include that later, but you don't need to see that. Yeah. So because past few videos or past couple videos I've done, I haven't used either the snap shackle, the rope thimble, or both. Figured why not, you know, hand out a couple of these goodies to this month's winner, and they can make one of their bracelets as well. I will include some paracord too, but I'm sure you have some. So this month's winner is Dave H. Dave H, thank you for your support. You've been supporting me for a little while now, actually, and I really appreciate that. So I will be emailing you shortly, and I'll get your shipping details and get this stuff out to you. And of course, a huge thank you, not just to Dave, but also to all of you Patreon patrons, as well as just you normal viewers or subscribers. If you're doing all of those things, great, that's awesome. Or if any of them, it's all good. So yeah, huge thank you to my Patreon patrons. You guys are making a huge difference for me, as always, each and every month. You know, we're almost we're hovering just a bit below 100. If we get to 100 supporters for that month, we'll do 2 giveaways instead of just 1. All right, so congrats to Dave, and I'm gonna email you and keep an eye out for the next giveaway and next exclusive video. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.